In this video, we'll create entitlement adjustments. Entitlement adjustments allow you to enter opening balances or adjust the balance of any entitlement. For example, if an employee moves from a 4 to 5 week annual leave entitlement, click the plus icon. This displays the compulsory fields required to process this entitlement adjustment. Start by selecting the employee whose balance needs adjusting. Select the type of adjustment that's required. Choose from opening balance or balance adjustment. In this example, we will make a balance adjustment to an employee's existing balance. The entitlement menu only displays the entitlements that apply to this employee. In this case, select annual leave. The status will change based on where this adjustment is in the process workflow. It will show one of the following. Open, this adjustment is ready to be released. On hold, the adjustment is a draft and can be edited manually. Closed, the adjustment has been released. Reversed, the adjustment has been reversed after being closed previously. As we work through saving the adjustment, this will update automatically. The hold and post to GL checkbox are ticked by default. By unticking them, the status will change to open, and you will need to manually post the adjustment later. Let's leave them ticked. Select the date and period that the adjustment needs to belong to. If opening balance is selected in the type field, you can enter a date here. However, if balance adjustment is selected, then this field is read only and displays the last date the employee's entitlement rolled over. The description automatically defaults to the type of adjustment and the employee's ID code. This can be changed if required. Let's leave it for now. With the summary section completed, there are 2 tabs to complete to finish processing this adjustment. The Document Details tab, which contains the details of the adjustment, and the Financial Details tab, which contains the journal transaction that is generated for this adjustment. Start by clicking the plus icon under the Document Details tab. Select whether the adjustment is to be recorded against the accrual balance, earned balance, or leave paid in advance for those in New Zealand. In this example, select accrual balance. Enter the hours you need to adjust. By selecting the type, some fields are automatically filled. If the fields are light grey, they are set as read only. If black, then you can update them as required. The extra fields available to select are override or override amount, to manually type an amount different to the calculated amount for this adjustment. Let's look at the Financial Details tab. The branch field is read only. Select the liability account and sub-account the journal needs to be posted to. Once the adjustment batch is released, 2 extra fields appear here. They are GL Batch, where you can view the details of the transaction, and GL Reversing Batch. If an adjustment is reversed, the details of this transaction will display here. With the adjustment released, your employee's entitlement will be updated. To view the adjustment created, open the Entitlement Adjustments Details form. The Entitlement Adjustments Details form allows you to view adjustments, both opening balance or balance adjustments within the date range selected. To see adjustments that are still sitting in the Entitlement Adjustments form, regardless of status, they are ticked this box. The summary balance allows you to view the balances broken down into opening balance quickly, earned accrued, and closing balance. You can see the adjustments that have been entered against this employee. To view the actual transaction, click on the reference number. With the employee's entitlement adjusted and reviewed, it's over to them to use the leave when needed.